In the heart of our bustling city, hidden away in a modest garage, lies a true artist. Meet Steven, a paint technician with passion for breathing life back into damaged car. Okay, right now we have already reached the workshop. Let's see the car condition. How was it like? Okay, this car right now is quite terrible, especially over here, you guys can see. Wow, the mirror also gone. Wow, here we are with the master Sifu over here, Abang. First off, we're going to take off all the broken mirror inside the car, take out all the cushions before the paint work starts. Wow, full of water. Now, let's see how was the paint job rooms look like. Wow.
Oh, tak kenal betul. Sorry.
So guys, we have reached the last stage, which is the final painting job. We have already done cleaning, sanding, filler, base paint, and today, the final painting. So this is how it looks like after the painting. Steven reminds us that true art takes time. It takes skill, passion, and an unwavering passion. So next time you see a Restore classic on the road, remember the hand that brought it back to life.